What is up, guys? Kyle at F&D, and today, the start of the new year, we are starting on the Suzuki. Today is a day of not so much fun part of the build, really just getting a good look at this truck. Today we're going to be working on a lot of little things, and hopefully after today we'll be ready to pull a front axle and start building that thing. So here's a look at some of the stuff we need to work on. Door handle for driver's side doesn't work. The passenger side doesn't work too well either. The interior is pretty much just thrashed. So need to go through this whole thing. I'm gonna rip all this carpet out, look for any rust in the floor, clean it up, put some paint on it. Not sure what I'm gonna do for the floor liner yet, but definitely not gonna leave it like this. Took the soft top off. Just need to get all this stuff spiffed up, make sure it's not gonna tear my top. Got the glove box needs to be replaced. Here we go. Oh man, that took forever. Seems like every single bolt in this thing was a different size. I mean, look at all the wrenches I had to use just to get these seats out. Pretty much just tore everything off the sides, got that nasty carpet out. What we've got to do now is get these doors panel stripped. I got some new door latches for them. And then I think later on we might replace these with some stainless steel. I don't know if you saw in my first Samurai video, the stick shift here is super sloppy. You can see sometimes it doesn't even feel like it's in gear, it feels like it's in neutral. We are going to be installing this nylon shifter bushing from Low Range Off-Road along with this transmission shifter bolt. Hopefully by replacing both of these, I won't have any more slop in my transmission shifter. As you can see from this time lapse, I spent a lot of time scrubbing this thing out. We used a wire wheel brush and then we put some degreaser in it, let that sit for a little bit, rinsed it off with some water, and then went it over it all again with some CLR, and it still looks pretty torn up, but most of it is just rust and some of it's paint. But I think this is about it. I'm gonna let this dry pretty good, and then we will put some primer down on the rust, and then we're gonna put some textured black paint on all of the horizontal surfaces, and we start putting it back together in here. So we managed to knock out the metal door handle replacement, the loose transmission shifter fix kit, put that in. Now it's super crisp, and we cleaned up the floor as best we could for now. Got the new glove box installed, and next we're just looking to put everything back in after we get some paint in here, and we'll start on some of the drivetrain.